Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Ford Mondeo LX Wagon, stock reference number 5403. This shape runs from the 11th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has one small dent, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard has one small dent, and right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated control, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.